Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify with N8N. Alright, let's begin. First, open N8N and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on the workflow screen, click Add First Step and search for Shopify. From the available triggers, choose Order Paid. This trigger will run every time a customer completes a purchase in your store. Next, you need to create new credentials. Select OAuth2 as the authentication method. To do this, open your Shopify admin and go to the developer dashboard from inside the Settings tab. Here, click on the Create App button at the top right corner and name the app something like N8N and continue. After the app is created, add only the required access scopes. For example, if you want order data, select order-related scopes only. Now, copy the OAuth redirect URL from N8N and paste it into your Shopify app settings. Release the app, then install it on your store from the dashboard of Shopify Developers Platform. Once installed, get to the App Settings tab, copy the client ID and client secret, and paste them into N8N. Next, enter your shop subdomain and click Save to connect the account. So, that's basically how you can connect Shopify with N8N. That's it for this video. Thanks.